The Goodful vacuum-sealed insulated food jar with handle lid is a stainless steel thermos designed to keep your food hot or cold for extended periods. It has a capacity of 16 ounces and comes in a sage color. The vacuum-sealed insulation technology helps maintain the temperature of your food, allowing you to enjoy it at the desired temperature even hours after packing it. This feature makes it a convenient option for carrying meals, soups, or beverages on the go, whether it's for work, school, or outdoor activities. The food jar also features a handle lid, which makes it easy to carry and transport. The lid is designed to be leak-proof, preventing any spills or messes in your bag or backpack. The stainless steel construction of the food jar is not only durable, but also helps with temperature retention. It is also BPA-free, ensuring that your food stays safe and free from any harmful chemicals. Overall, the Goodful vacuum-sealed insulated food jar with handle lid is a practical and stylish option for keeping your meals hot or cold while you're on the move.